Hello, my name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be talking about the issue that Haiti faces when it comes to nutrition. There are many people that are malnourished in Haiti because of low income and poor environment. Our topic mostly focuses on women's health in Haiti. If you are unfamiliar with Haitian culture, then you should know that the women are expected to be the main caretakers, meaning their responsibility is to nourish their children. Unfortunately, due to the circumstances, they do not have the time or money to make sure their children are getting the proper nutrients they need. Not that long ago, I took a visit to Haiti to help rebuild homes and churches. One thing I noticed while being there is the number of single mothers in Haiti. I also couldn't help but notice the amount of malnourishment these people were having. I managed to speak to one of these single mothers and asked her what her life was like. She said that they struggle, but they get by. I then proceeded to ask about her husband. She informed me that she doesn't have a husband, and the father of her children were not involved in their lives. I started to notice this was not uncommon. There are many young, single mothers that are unable to provide for their children because they do not have a man to provide for them. These mothers must manage to find a job, which is very difficult for women to do in Haiti, and take care of their kids. Now in America, this doesn't seem that difficult. There are tons of single mothers in America too, but the difference is women in Haiti not only have a tough time finding a job, but they don't have other methods of transportation to pick up some fruits and vegetables on the way home. They don't have a local Target or Walmart that they can quickly stop by. What they have is farmers markets, some of which are clear in the next town, or possibly even farther away. Focusing back on malnourishment. The reason for this is because not only can they not afford to spend money on nutritional fruits and vegetables, they also don't have the time. Their main source of nourishment comes from rice, beans, and meat. As you can see, there's a lot of vitamins that they're missing, such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C. All of these are so important. But they just don't have the time or the money to just go and buy important fresh fruits and vegetables. They don't have a babysitter or a daycare that they can drop their kids off while they go and run errands. They are all alone. That is why it is important to educate these women not only on the importance of maintaining a healthy, well-balanced diet, but to also teach them ways that they can do this without having to spend half their day walking to the closest farmer's market or spending the majority of their income on food. How can we do this? By teaching them how to grow a basic garden. The gardens can contain so many proper nourishments, such as tomatoes, green beans, broccoli, some oranges, grapes, watermelon, anything that they can grow. Let's take the time to spread this message about the struggle that women of Haiti face. We hope that by spreading this message, we can get people to band together to get the resources we need to help these women. Thank you so much for listening today. If you want any more information, please check out our website at www.womenofhaiti.com. There has a couple of resources such as more information about what the health living is like in Haiti and goes into more detail. Thank you again for listening.